Hey subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, due to popular demand, I am going to be answering frequently asked questions or the things that you don't know about Teami. I'm pretty sure I've answered some of them in my previous vlogs, which is kinda not organized, so I decided to put them in one video so that you won't have a hard time looking for them. So if you want to know more about Teami, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first question, what products from Teami do you have right now? So I have 6 products from them right now, and that is Teami Skinny, Teami Colon, Teami Greens, Teami Beauty Mask Restorative Clay Facial, their Teami Tumbler on the go. I have the one in 600 ml and the small size, which is 400 ml. Lastly, I have their Teami Mix It 30-second Smoothie Blender. Next question, what's the first product you got from Teami? The first product that I got from Teami is their 30-day detox pack. This is already my 3rd pouch. They're super easy to make. Just add a teaspoon of tea in your tumbler or infuser. It should look something like this. Add hot water and you're done. For the Teami Colon, you can steep your teas for as long or little as you like, but they actually recommend steeping the colon tea for 1 to 3 minutes if it's your first time. Third question, your favorite Teami product? Okay, that would have to be their Teami Colon. I super love this product because it flushes out toxins from my body. So everything you eat, like processed food, hot dog, noodles, canned goods, sodas like Coke, Sprite, etc., it will flush out. And ever since I started drinking this, everyday na akong nagpo-poops or pumupunta ng banyo kasi usually hindi normal yung pagje-jebs ko, which is my bowel movement. So this really helped me a lot with that. Fourth question, recent product from Teami. My recent product that I got from Teami is this Beauty Mask Restorative Clay Facial. I've had this for months now and I use it weekly. I really love this mask. Its smell, it's super relaxing. Its effect, its consistency, everything in general, actually. It makes my face so soft, clean, and bright. Other clay masks usually get really itchy once they're drying, but this one does not. Highly recommend adding this to your skincare routine. Fifth question, what age have you been using Teami? Okay, I started using them few months before I turned 18 years old. Why? Because I got so conscious of my flabs before. My classmates used to tease me about my belly, and so I felt like I was bloated all the time. And yeah, I did my research, so I discovered that teas can help you speed up bowel movements. Are your contents with Teami paid? To be honest, no. I wish they were, but no, none of them are paid. They actually just reached out to me before to let me try their product. So basically, I'm a Teami partner. And when I tried it, I personally loved them. So everything that I say on my videos are my honest opinion about them. Oh, and by the way, Teami gives me a discount code for 20% off to my followers. Sometimes 30%, sometimes 15%. It actually depends on what campaign or what event that month is. And yeah, I just basically share it with my viewers. Okay, next question. Does Teami accept COD? Okay, this is the #1 question that I get a lot. But the answer is no. I'm so sorry for that. They don't accept cash on delivery, but they do accept Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. But whenever I order from them, I always use my PayPal account. Next question. How to order Teami? Okay, so to order Teami, you just have to go to their website. That's www.teamiblends.com, and look all over their website and just add to cart whatever you want to try. All of the prices are there, so don't you worry. But if you want them in Philippine currency, just search them up on Google, because remember, Google is the answer to almost everything. So yeah. Next question. Where does Teami ship to? They ship worldwide, but they also offer free shipping to orders over $60. But if your order is under $60, the shipping price will be calculated based on your location and the weight of your package. Okay, next question. Why do you love them? I love them because they worked for me, and all their teas are 100% natural ingredients. They contain no artificial additives or flavors, which is good. Plus, I love tea more than coffee, so yeah. Next question. What is one thing that you want to buy from them that you've never get your hands on? Okay, so it would be the Butterfly Collagen Teami Powder because I already have the Teami Greens. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I wanted to try them myself too and see what effect it could give me. But whenever I check out from their website, it's always sold out. Like, every time na mag-check out ako sa Teami, every time na magre-restock ako ng mga stocks. If you reach this part of the video, congrats, because we are gonna be having a little giveaway for you guys. One of you is gonna be getting a Teami Beauty Mask Restorative Clay Facial and a Teami Skinny. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is first, subscribe to my channel. Second, like and share this video. Third, follow me on Instagram at skyzia. Fourth, comment down and don't forget to include your IG username. Good luck to everyone. That's it for today's video. I hope I answered some of your questions regarding Teami. And if you have more questions, just comment them down below and we might have a part 2 of this. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!